We are here in Fort Myers Beach at Creciente condominiums on the south end of the island. This is what you see when you enter this beautiful condo. Check out all the windows. These windows, sliding glass doors, lead to this wraparound lanai. Folks, this is a corner end unit, 1,545 square feet of pure paradise. This wraparound lanai is very spacious, and wow, what do we have here? The beach, Fort Myers Beach. This lanai looks over the pool area, and you'll get your beautiful sunsets on the beach. We have sliding glass doors that lead to the master bedroom and the second bedroom. Each have their own private entranceway. Folks, this is beautiful. Look at this spacious, beautiful condominium. This particular unit comes with furnishings and comes with a great price. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. I'm going to show you a gorgeous kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. The owners did some remodeling a couple years ago, so you have a gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen, beautiful flooring, wow, accent lighting, and space. I'm going to show you the bathrooms, folks. Those are updated as well. You've got this gorgeous bathroom here. Next to the bathroom, across the hall, is your own laundry room. The master bedroom. Wow, look how spacious. And there it is. Your own entranceway out to looking at the beach from your master bedroom. This is the view. Spectacular. We have here a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom with a walk-in closet, huge walk-in closet, a tub area and shower, beautiful flooring, the second bedroom, check this out as well. You can sleep 3 people in here, if not more. This too has its own entranceway out to the lanai. Look at the beautiful palm trees. Look at this. You have so much space to look at. It's as if you're not even looking at directly into people's property. This is beautiful.